how to edit a voiceover in CapCut. So I've already showed you how to create a voiceover, but you can also edit it to do different audio effects. This on the bottom right here, this voiceover is going to be the voiceover that I'm going to use for this. So once we click on it, we're going to see this bottom bar come up here. So we can change the volume, we can fade it in and out, and we can also add audio effects. So if I click on audio
The Aurora Link wireless CarPlay
pop up is different effects that it's going to give my voice.
The Aurora Link wireless CarPlay adapter not only works for
So you can see that is going to affect the voiceover that I have already done. And you can play around with the different voice effects, see which one works best for you.